centre of Auckland City, we fly south to Clevedon, Auckland's newest wine region. Its warm, humid climate and fertile soils are perfect for producing all kinds of crops and full-flavoured red wines such as Merlot, as well as whites such as Pinot Gris and Viognier.
Welcome to Turanga Creek Winery. The terroir here is a lot of heavy clay soil, which is quite comparable to the Bordeaux area, for example. So the main grape variety grown at Turanga Creek are Pinot Gris and Viognier for the white, and Merlot, Malbec, Cabernet Sauvignon and Syrah for the red. And they're all grown organically and biodynamically on the vineyard right here.
Here at Turanga Creek, we are fully certified and biodynamic. Part of that process is that we are very interested in our soil. If we have healthy soil, we have healthy plants and we have wonderful fruit. I have here, this is actually a biodynamic preparation. This is called cow pit. It's made from cow manure and it's like a wonderful compost that is then put onto the land. We are completely self-sustaining within this area. Everything that is grown here is used here on the property, and we are looking at also creating balance and within that environment a lot of diversity. So we grow a lot of different plants, we have extensive vegetable gardens, a small orchard. The biggest thing that, for me anyway, is that I see the wine that we produce as a true expression of our terroir.
Hello, I'm Loic Parola. I'm originally from France, and I came to New Zealand a few years ago to work for Turanga Creek. Today we are trying the Turanga Creek Down to Earth 2011, which is made organically and single vineyard from Whitford. So now we're looking at the color of that beautiful Pinot Gris, so it's very bright and clear. Reason for that was because we don't choose any oak in the aging process, so the colors stay really clear and vibrant. It's also a fairly young wine because that's from 2011. So let's say if we look at this wine in 2 years' time, it would definitely go towards a more golden color. So then we're going to look at the nose of the wine. This Pinot Gris has a very pretty nose. It's really floral, ginger, kind of fresh pear. Because Auckland is a fairly warm climate, it's quite typical to get this light spices, pear, floral note in a Pinot Gris. You also look on the nose, say something a bit creamy and a bit of almost, which smell a bit like yogurt. So that's due to the age on lees. So the lees are basically sediment into the wine, and because we do lee steering, which just means we're basically mixing the sediment with the juice itself, you get a really nice, creamy smell on the nose. So we're now going to try the wine, which is the best part of the tasting, right? You can feel the creaminess of the wine on your palate and the texture of the wine on your palate, and that's clearly due to the lees steering. And then you really got this aroma of fresh pear, almost fresh apricot, maybe a hint of honey as well, and really the spiciness coming through that we had on the nose. So this really ginger, cumin note, which are one of my favorite features on the palate of that wine. So these spices and creaminess in the wine will work very well with some prawn on the barbecue or squids, possibly a nice risotto, a seafood risotto, or just a grilled fish. It's a great wine because of its dryness as well. It's a great wine as an aperitif or as a food wine. It's a wine made to be enjoyed. That's the whole idea of Down to Earth. It's an honest, charming, enjoyable, unique style of Pinot Gris made organically at affordable price as well. So if you're interested in the organic winemaking, you're welcome on the vineyard. We've got a wine bar open. It's only half an hour from the city, and we'll be pleased to guide you through the world of organic wine. Santé!